Hey guys, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, and today another unboxing. This unboxing is for Julep, so if you're interested in seeing the review on their product in this box, stick around. Okay guys, this is a totally different box. They normally send a little cute little box with the lavender trim on it. So let's see why this box is so big. Okay. Now here are all the products that came in this box for this month. So I guess it's because one is so long. But give me a minute to pull them out and we'll see what they are. Okay. Now the first thing we see is Julep has an Up All Night new polish colors. They always have the wonderful polish colors, the nail polish colors. They are, I want to say conditioning because they're good for your nails. They have very good polish. Okay, the next thing they sent in my order was a file. This, of course, you know, ladies, is for the foot. I saw it, I wanted to try it out, see what it's like. So I'm gonna try it out and I'm gonna let you know when I do my in-home pedicure. The next item they sent me was one of their polishes. Now I saw this color and I thought this color was gorgeous. So, let's see. Let me back up. I ordered this from them. And what this is, ladies, is where you put the different colors on. So all the colors I get from them, I can show you guys what they look like. I'm working on better presentation. I am going to try to get another one because I want to do a review and show you all their different nail polishes. Because I have a ton of them on the rack in my beauty room / office, of course. But I'm going to show you guys this color. I think it's beautiful. The name of this color, they always have odd names. Color S226 or 8226. That's the name of this polish. So I'm going to show you how it looks. So now that you've seen the name and the number, I'm going to show you how it looks. I'm going to use my new toy, guys. I'm happy I ordered this. This is the first time I saw it on their site, and I'm glad it was there. So I'm looking forward to getting another one. Okay, guys, here is the color. Color 8226. It's more of a neutral color, more of a naked color. I like it. I want to try it. I think it'll look really nice. Sit that there and let that dry. Now, if you see, it's more of a natural tone, nude tone. I like it. More beigey color. And then I got Take a Breather. It's an oxygen nail treatment. Okay, now I've noticed that they're doing them in different colors instead of just clear. Before, it was always clear. Oxygen treatment was a clear polish. And they have a pink. And let me get this open. They have a peach now. So it's a nail treatment. It's in peach. So I think this would be kind of cool to try because I had my nails taken off. I try not to wear them as long as I used to when I was younger. You know, when you're younger, you do stuff and you think, I'm invincible. But not young anymore. So if you can see that, it's a clear sheer color, but it's a peachy color. So I think that would be cool to try a new breather treatment. Is that all? Well, guys, that's all for my review for Julep, for my September box, actually. No, October. It's my October box. So I have the peach tone nail breather treatment. I received a file, a foot file, and then I received my polish, Color 8226. And I also received the thing you put the polishes on. So here's the color. of Keller. So guys, I'm trying to do my reviews a little different. So leave a comment below and tell me what you think about me changing it up some. So guys, if you like my content, you know what to do, guys. Give me that thumbs up, comment, and share my videos. And also, guys, subscribe if you're not a member of the Creative with Me family. We would love to have you here. Trust me, I would love you. Family. And also, guys, next to it, you see a bell. Click that bell. Click it twice. It's a notification bell, and that bell will let you know each and every time I upload a video. And you know your girl uploads videos now 3 days a week, Sundays, Tuesdays, and Thursdays. I'm trying to keep up that thing, and it's going good so far, and I'm enjoying it. And also, guys, follow me on my social media account. They should be listed here on the screen below, and also down below in the description. And also, guys, if you want to know anything about Julep, there's a link below in the description that will take you right to Julep, and you can check them out. They're a pretty good company. I think you will enjoy them. This is Stephanie with Creatively Miss Me saying thank you for watching, and you guys be blessed.